Apart from designing your web page for the desktop, you also have control over how it will work in tablet and mobile, and this is responsive designing. In the builder sidebar on the left, go to this little monitor icon, select it, and you'll see you have tablet and mobile. When I select tablet, it will give me a tablet display, and you will see the sidebar opens on the right. Everything you're going to do here will not affect your desktop or your mobile. I select this text element and note that this toolbar is much shorter than the one in desktop. The reason for that is that those things that you cannot change within the responsive design have been removed, giving you access to only those tools that you are going to need for both mobile and for tablet. From here, I can make changes to all of the settings given to me here, and as I said earlier, will not affect your desktop nor your mobile display. Click on the button, and again, you have a reduced version here of the toolbar that you are used to. This applies on a block basis, on column basis, row basis, and element basis. And with this extra real estate in the screen, the sidebar will remain open. This is the same for your padding and margin options. Let's go into our mobile display. Columns here by default will stack. A few additional options apply here. If you go to the column settings, note that you have an option for reverse columns. Also, you have more control here over the column behavior. If you don't want them to stack, simply grab the handle and drag them to a display that works for you. You can also dial this in on a manual basis. Last but not the least is the ability to hide elements when you're working on the various displays. I can do that on an element basis or column basis, even block basis. In this case, I have these 4 columns, but I think maybe for my mobile device, it's too much. I'm going to remove one of them, just make it a little bit more impactful. What I'll do here is I'll go to this column, click on the column settings, and notice the little eye here. Select it and it hides whatever has been within that column. Can also be done on an element basis. Now, when somebody browses this site on a mobile device, they will not see it. But if we go back to tablet, you will note that it is still there. If you want to bring it back, you'll run into the problem that it's not visible at the moment. From the page options toolbar in the bottom right corner, you will see we have this here show hidden elements. When I select that, that hidden element will come back, but it will be blurred out as an indication that it's actually not being shown. To bring it back, select it again and then uncheck the hide element feature. This eye you will see for all of these elements when you are working in tablet or mobile display. Once you go to desktop and you want to hide something, select what you want to hide. Go to settings, styling, under styling select advanced, uncheck show on desktop. Now it's blurred out, showing that it won't display. If you want front end editing, make sure you select again here, hide hidden elements.